Hello, my name is Ramonito D. Caputi. I bring 10 years of experience from the construction industry where I work primarily as a steel fixer on large-scale projects in Saudi Arabia and Doha, Qatar. While my background is in construction, I have developed valuable skills that are easily transferable to the kitchen environment, such as attention to detail precision and the ability to work under pressure. In construction, I work in fast-paced, high-pressure environments, which help me build a strong work ethic and ability to manage multiple tasks effectively. These qualities are essential in the kitchen where organization and teamwork are key. I have also learned to communicate effectively with teams to ensure that projects are completed efficiently and safely. You should hire me because even though my experience is not the culinary field, I am passionate about food and eager to learn. I'm highly adaptable and thrive challenging environments, so I am confident I can quickly learn the skills necessary for this role. My strong ethic and dedication and ability to handle pressure will allow me to contribute effectively to your kitchen team. I am ready to put in the effort to grow and excel this new field.